Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Umi Amira. Today, I would like to present on my PSM II demonstration, which is called Justshop mobile application. Before that, let me explain briefly on Justshop mobile apps. Justshop is an application that assists shopping for personal shopper and potential customer. Justshop is able to help personal shoppers to manage and enhance their services in more systematic and proper way, to acknowledge people regarding the existence of trusted personal shoppers nearby, and to help anyone who are interested in doing personal shopper services to register and to be known by customers. These are the objectives of my project. The first one is to increase the level of accessibility of Justshop mobile application. The current mobile application does not compatible with iOS version. This is because it is developed specifically for Android platform. So, the first objective is achieved by developing a version that is compatible with iOS. For your information, iOS user can download the apps from the test flight apps, while for Android users, they can download the Justshop mobile application from the Google Play Store. The second objective is to enhance the current mobile application by adding a feature to manage order and sales reports. The problem is the current mobile application does not have feature to manage order and sales report. So, the second objective is achieved by adding a feature that can manage order and sales report for personal shoppers. The third objective is to improve the existing push notification features. For your information, the existing mobile application already implement the push notification features. However, the notification does not organize well within the application. So, the third objective is achieved by designing a well-organized notification features inside the application. All of these 13 modules has successfully developed and ready to be used by both users, which is customer and personal shoppers. The one that is highlighted are the additional modules that being added to the new version of Justshop apps. During the PSM I demonstration, there are some comments and improvements should be made to the mobile apps. The first one is the product request from a schedule shop that has passed or ended should be moved to the history tab. Let's see the application. Click on my request. Let's see the history tab. Click on the second one. As you can see here, this shop is scheduled on 23rd of June. Basically, this shop has already ended or passed. Let's go back to the list. In this case, if a customer requests a product from a schedule shop and the shopper did not process the request until the shop has ended, so the request should be moved to the history tab and the status should change from pending to expired, as you can see here. So, the first comment is solved. Next, let's see the second one. The second and third objective is not achieved. So previously, during PSM I demonstration, my second and third objective is not achieved. So in this demonstration, I would like to demonstrate on both objectives. Let's see the second one first, which is to enhance the current apps by adding a feature to manage order and sales report. Let's see the application. Let's go back and click on Selling tab. Here you can see that there are Shopper Wallet and Sales Report. Let me explain briefly the difference between these two functions. The Shopper Wallet is basically to display the balance for the shopper account and the transaction list for the shopper. So all the sales and payment that have been made by customer will be released in this wallet. So if we click on one of the transaction, it will display the order details for the transaction. Here we can see the delivery details, product details, payment details, and also order details. From the shopper wallet also, the personal shopper can withdraw the balance from their shopper wallet account. Now let's see the sales report. In this page, the shopper can view the total of sales for every month. As you can see here, the current month is September 2021, and the shopper can check their sales report for the past 12 months, which is until October 2020. In this screen, the sales report is presented using two types of view. The first one is using the pie chart, and the second one is using the list view. So from the pie chart, we can see the total sales for that month, and every shop has their own indicator color, which is green, red, and yellow. Here you can see that the green color has the highest sales for this month, while the yellow color has the lowest sales for this month. As you can see here, the sales report is separated based on the shop type. For each type of shop, the personal shopper might conduct multiple shop for that month. So as you can see here, for September, this shopper has conduct two different live shop, which is Watson Aeon Bandaraya Melaka and also IKEA. But we can see that the Watson Aeon Bandaraya Melaka has higher sales than IKEA, which is 2. So this kind of report is very important for personal shopper. This is because they want to know which shop is actually high demand by customer and has the highest sales for that month. They might want to repeat the live shop or the schedule shop because it has a high demand by customer. So from the list also, the shopper can see the details for the sales for each shop. For example, let's click on the Watson Aeon Bandaraya Melaka, which has 2 sales. Click on it, and we can see the sales details, which consists of the customer details, product details, and also the order details. Like this. So that's it for the second objective, which is manage order and sales report. I consider that the second objective is already achieved. Now let's see the third objective, which is to improve the existing push notification features. Let's go back and click on the notifications tab. Here there are 2 tabs, which is buying and selling tab. The buying tab is the notification for customer, while the selling tab is the notification for shopper. Here it will display a list of notification for the user. As you can see here, we have different kinds of notification, such as new rate, payment release, new order, new product request, and etc. So if we click on one of the notification, it will simply display the notification details. So if we click on the payment release notification, it will display the order details. While if we click on new rate notification, it will redirect to the rating page of the shopper. So that's it for the third objective, which is the notification features. I consider that all objective has already achieved by all the implementation that I have made in the new version of mobile apps. So yeah, the second comment is solved, and that's all for the comment and improvement. I think that's it for this video. I hope that everything is clear. If you have any question or any inquiries, you can simply contact me, or if you want to check out the apps yourself, you can download the apps from the Google Play Store and the test flight for iOS user. Thank you very much.